I've wiped the van off a little bit. Still got to do the wheels in the front here, but I spent about, I don't know, 40 or 50 hours wet sanding it. It turned out really well. It's got a little rust, but hey, I've seen a lot worse. Not to be negative, but you'll see it down there. That's the only reason I brought it up. It's got quite a bit of surface rust on top, so it had to have sat for 4 or 5 years to get like it was. It was all chalky looking white. When you see the before and after, it looks like it just got painted like this beige color from white to beige. I think somebody has gone over it with a buffer before they let it sit for 5 years or whatever. And the guy either owned the van or knew what he was doing really, really well. But whoever did the buffing loved it and loved his job because he did perfect. I mean, not perfect, but there's a few little thin places here and there, but that's what gave me the idea. But when I wet sanded it, dude, it just turned out so well. That is 47-year-old paint. I'm weird about that stuff. Those taillights are original. I'm thinking, look, there's a chance it has, I don't know, I don't want to mess it up, but it's showing 13,000 miles. And one would assume that it's 113,000 because the brake pedal is not all worn out. Well, this thing is so nice. I was thinking they took it all apart, you know, the taillights, the door handles, everything to paint it. And then they got new trim for it and then got new taillights and everything. And I was like, no, dude, it's just original. I'm not saying that's 13,000, but you know what? There's a 50-50 chance, or I think there's more chance. I don't know the story yet. I'd have to run the Carfax. But I'm telling you, no cracks in the dash. There's some rust through right there on the hood, and I'm trying not to fall everywhere. I haven't even waxed it yet. And there's some streaks here and there on it, but I have scrubbed it. It's a 77 G20. It was originally converted to a camper from the factory, brand new, by TEC. And I think it's Travel Equipment Corporation, whatever. I always get it wrong. But regardless, the RV stuff was taken out and it was kind of converted to the Boogie van. But yeah, it was, might as well show it to you while I'm here rambling. I had to work on the door a little bit to make it behave. Anybody care to boogie? I guess that's the boogie area back there. Look, it even has a fan for those hot nights, hot, long boogie nights. Boogie nights. Oh, look, I just saw those. Cool. Oh, well. There's a bunch of those lights up there at the top. Those original, you know, standard RV lights. The front interior light works. Ooh, there's even speakers back there. All right. So we can boogie in the back. Breaker 19, good buddy of mine. Do you have your ears on? You got your ears on. Come on back. Look at that. I don't know. It could be. Man. See what I'm saying? That's... I'm telling you, man, somebody loved this thing. The hood's a little bit thin, but hey, and I haven't done the mirrors or the wheels yet. But look, the hood's kind of thin. Probably might have been repainted, I don't know, but it just looks a little, well, you know, our sides are gonna look not as bad. But oh well, I'll shut up. Y'all take it easy. Bye-bye.